ninga kunyunyuta ninga kufindura.
Okukuza esande y'okunyonsya kukatebwa habe ekitongole kya World Alliance for Breastfeeding Action omwaka gwa 1991 na bwanyuma y'omwaka gwa 1992 esande y'okukuza okunyonsya nibwe yatandika. Omwaka ogu esande y'okukuza ebiro by'okunyonsya eri hansi y'omuramwa oguri kugira ngu Let's Make Breastfeeding and Work. TV West eganiriho na Dr. Elias Kumbakumba mukuru wa wode kureberera hamwe no kuragurira abana ahirware rikure rya Mbarara habere kuteganisa abacyara abari kunyonsya kandi atugambire ngu omukazi okushanga obongo bwe butatebe kiine kiine akabi kahango aha mashereka.
Breastfeeding is a mind game. It is the baby's touching and holding of the breast that stimulates the mind, then the mind tells the breast, which is really only a store, to produce the breast milk. So we can sort out every problem in the health setting, or even with any other, with counselors. We have some breastfeeding counselors, we have antenatal clinics and postnatal clinics where we do immunizations. That kind of support can be provided so that there is no mother who says I don't have enough breast milk.
Kumbakumba agizire ngu omukazi yashemerewe kunyonsya omwerere we amezi mukaga agari kubanza ati nekinde cyari kumuhereza.
The recommendation is to breastfeed from birth exclusively without giving anything else up to 6 months of age for a newborn, for a child. Then thereafter 6 months we introduce other foods, family foods that we call complementary foods, up to the age of 2 years. So the World Health Organization recommends that we breastfeed, or babies be breastfed from birth up to the end of 2 years, but the first 6 months should be nothing else other than breast milk.
Nagira ngu no bucemerere ngo mwana ine konka kusiye emyaka 2 ngo bumwe nibashanga obuzibu abo kushanga ngu abamwe abakazi no baba bagizirenda.
Feeding for 2 years is also very difficult because by then mothers, some have already conceived again another baby, another pregnancy. Others have got exhausted from the breastfeeding. Others, children have got other problems and they can't breastfeed for as long as 2 years. But that is the recommendation for a healthy, well-nourished baby, that if a mother or a family wants a well-nourished baby.
Yagira ngu abacyara tubashemeye kuhereza abana babo juice ngo habwo kubatinunje abana babo na munonga bato.
We should avoid juices. Juice is not very good for babies. Juice, whether homemade or packaged from a supermarket or a shop, those are not good. We should encourage more natural foods and less juice, because juice kills children's appetites.
Twahika irwaro rya Mbarara City Health Center 4 aho twashanga omuzari Samadrin tino businje ari kwegesa abazire okubashemerire konsya abana babo.
Umwana yayonka nabana areba ecyakabira karejo akana kakakwasira hibere omwago mwana nukubagura guti ntubantu batarekura nabaterese motagikwata akokora hindukoti umukono nguza kugenda na pesa hiyaza no yonsi ko mwana kumarera kikitano kwa kweza kwiguta ibere na aricwera.
Omaha abakazi wizara ryo kubanza yatugambira ekiyaraberemu kutandika konsya omurundo go kubanza.
Umanya wano tandika konsya kubanza nibabitambiki rumwe no kufuna mu byasi rumwe no tina mukace konka with time nija namanyira bo kubankareba ngo umwana ayino konka ukugira amagara marungi kuba umwana kwari kurra ibere ayino kuba kugira amagara marungi takubwara tine gwarazi kumuteganisa so kareba muri cy'ikirungi nabweno ba mama batakwenda konsya nimba hanjera ngo umunsi y'abana abo kuba konsya kwenda ikintu cyangwa munonge cyukora amagara y'umwana.
Omwaka gwa 2016 esande yo kwijuko konsya ekagito hari United Nations Sustainable Development Goals nkomuringo go kwisya abazire omuga gwabo okuza wiki yo kuyonsi omunsi yona nicubaho cyubanza cyo kwa munana okusebera omushanzo kwa munana buri mwaka. Mashereka TV West.